Happy Friday, my friends, and welcome back to another work from home job lead that is in the healthcare field. Real quickly, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on if you never want to miss another job lead. And as always, everything I discuss will be in the description box below. But with that being said, my specialty is in the healthcare field. My full-time job is not only working but also acting as a hiring manager in the healthcare field, so it would not be right if I did not bring you some kind of healthcare job lead, and that is what we have today. The company United Health Group, they also own Optum. They are hiring an administrative assistant to work remote from home. I just want to mention real quickly, generally United Healthcare provides all computer equipment that you need, and in most cases they also provide internet access for you, so all you need to do is just have the skills to do the job. It says you can telecommute from anywhere within the United States. So they are looking for someone to work full-time. This is a Monday through Friday role. And as an administrative assistant, you'll create and maintain calendars, coordinate meetings to avoid scheduling conflicts. You'll create and prepare meeting materials for meetings. You'll make travel arrangements or for meeting attendees. You'll host, coordinate, and facilitate not only the meetings, but also any external events that they need. You ensure that the meeting participants have appropriate access to the facilities and systems, badges, request building material. You'll plan and organize logistics of on and off-site events using internal resources. You'll compile and integrate information. And you may also assist and perform budget planning. Now, in today's healthcare world, most meetings are through WebEx or Zoom online. So this is a complete virtual work from home position. They are looking for someone who has a high school diploma or a GED, but no college degree is required. Someone who has 3 years or more experience either as an administrative assistant or some kind of office clerical experience. And of course, you have to be great with Microsoft Office. That's Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Teams, Outlook, all of those things. Now, of course, pay is always dependent on experience and location, but the low pay end for this position is $16 an hour, and the high pay end is $29 an hour and 66 cents. So you can make anywhere from $16 all the way up to $29 an hour. And of course, they also offer a benefit package that includes the standard health benefits, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.